Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
Reading and Comprehension, Forms of Matter, Video 1. This is an engaged video created by Willoughby Eastlake Schools. How to use the video lesson. There are 4 steps and/or 4 options. Option number 1, video and questions on screen. Complete video engaged. If you are presently using a smartboard, please remember to save this video first and then open it up with Smart Video Player. Step 2, Option 2, video and print out only the comprehensive questions that are provided. The video will play the story and the students will write on the comprehensive questions. Step 3, Option 3, simply print out the handout only and provide a handout for each student in your class. Step 4, Option 4, simply use the smartboard lesson that is provided only. Everything around you is made of matter. Scientists group matter based on its properties or characteristics, what it looks like and how it acts in different situations. Matter can take 3 different forms. The 3 forms are solid, liquid, and gas. Solid matter has a definite shape. It also takes up a definite amount of space. This means it has a specific volume. If you could look at solid matter under a very powerful microscope, you would see its tiny particles moving back and forth. The particles are packed together so they vibrate in place. Their overall shape does not change. Liquid matter takes the shape of its container. When liquid is in a cup, it is shaped like the cup. When the liquid is in a vase, it is shaped like the vase. The volume of the liquid stays the same. If you were to look at liquid matter under the microscope, you would see its tiny particles sliding past each other. Because of this unique sliding movement, the liquid is able to change its shape so we can pour it. In the form of a gas, matter is usually invisible. The air around us has several different gases, like the oxygen we breathe in and the carbon dioxide we breathe out. If you could look at gas matter under the microscope, you would see its tiny particles floating around with lots of space in between them. They spread out to fill any container the gas is placed in. If you would please, have a student come up to the smartboard for the very first series of comprehensive questions. Thank you. Page 1. Please do not pick up a pen until you are asked to do so. Answer the following questions based on the reading passage. Don't forget to go back to the passage whenever necessary to find or confirm your answers. Question 1. What does the word properties mean in the first paragraph? Question 2. What are the 3 forms of matter can take? And question 3, what does the word vibrate mean in the second paragraph? If you would please pick up a pen to answer these questions. Please do that now. Okay, here is what we have as answers. Question 1. What does the word properties mean in the first paragraph? Characteristics. Properties or characteristics. Question 2. What are the three forms that matter can take? Solid, liquid, and gas, as you see illustrated right here. Question number 3. What does the word vibrate mean in the second paragraph? Move back and forth. Moving back and forth. If your answers matched ours, that is truly terrific. If you would please have another student come up to the smartboard for the next series of questions, and while they're doing that, if you would please pick up an eraser and erase your answers. Thank you. Page 2. Please do not pick up a pen until you're asked to do so. Answer the following questions based on the reading passage. Don't forget to go back to the passage whenever necessary to find or confirm your answers. Question 4. What is one difference between solid and liquid? Question 5. Are the tiny particles closer together in a solid, a liquid, or a gas? If you would please pick up a pen and write your answers down. Please do that now. Okay, here is what we have as the answers. Number 4. What is one difference between a solid and a liquid? We wrote down several. Solids have a definite shape and liquids take the shape of the container, or solid particles vibrate and liquid particles slide. Number 5. Are the tiny particles closer together in a solid, a liquid, or a gas? They are closer together in a solid. If your answers matched ours, that is unbelievable. Way to go. If you would please, pick up an eraser and erase your answers. And we would like to thank you for working with us today on comprehensive reading.